Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you an updated version of my sticker book, and I'll show you all the things that are now included. Before we get into this video, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. So everything on the front cover is basically exactly the same. Everything inside the sticker book is the same. As you can see, I have all my socials at the bottom. You have your hyperlinked index, and all of the pages are the same. So I'm sure you're like, okay, so what's different, girl? You said there's an update. What's the difference? So the only difference now is that every single sticker that you see here is now available in separate PNG images right here. So I'm going to show you. If you go into the sticker book folder, you will see everything is organized into separate folders. So you're going to get that zip file which opens up into different folders. As you can see, we have the boxes, you have all your habit trackers, you have your motivational stickers. Everything is already pre-cropped and ready to go in its own separate folder. So I decided to do it this way because I know there's a lot of people who use Noteshelf, or people who use Notability or Zoom, or other apps like that, and they use it on their Android and maybe they don't have good notes. So I wanted you to have this option as well to use these stickers. My favorite feature about using the iPad is that I can just easily drag and drop my sticker straight into GoodNotes. So this is going to be available to you in the shop, and everybody who has already purchased, I will be sending you a link to separate PNG images if you do want it. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.